Hello, my name is Ya-Shi, and I am part of the team that made the Earth Guardians quiz. I was the researcher and communicator. We were inspired to make a climate action quiz/trivia app because we recently saw the news of the LA fire, and we thought that it was very devastating for people to lose their homes and lives because that we're not taking care of our world. Our biggest challenge was probably time management because we also had to do a lot of coding for our app. We overcame this challenge because we went to organize and gave people roles on what to do and time limit for ourselves. If a student came, I would definitely recommend this program to them because you basically just learn a lot of stuff and it's really cool because you get awesome opportunities.